If you're working in your Miro design and you would like to, let's say, replace an image, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. All you have to do in your design is click on the image and you'll have the options appear at the top. And if one of them is replace. So click on the replace image, and from here you can see that you have a few options. You can replace the image with something from your PC, you can replace it from board, and you can replace it from the library. We're going to use the library option, so I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, it opens up the library here, and I'm going to just choose something else, right? So let's choose this one. You hover over the image and you have the replace icon, so just click on the replace icon and it's going to quickly replace it in the design. So it doesn't matter how complex your design is. If you have a design and you just don't want to mess it up too much, but you just want to replace the image, you can easily do so. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and press a few backspace into a design. So let's say this is what I have, and I have the city there. I can click on it, then click the replace tool, then click it from the library. And instead of typing somewhere, I'm going to type in city and hit enter. And so I'm going to find cities. And let's say I would like to replace it. I'm going to find something that works. So let's say I would like to use this one or this one. I click on it and replace, and you'll see that it quickly replaces it in my design. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.